Today, I decided to dress up for an important occasion. I decided to use my sky blue shirts and this gray tie. After tying the tie, and I was adjusting the tie. You can see the way the tie is being adjusted. We adjust it very well. It is very professional in look. So I tied the tie double Windsor and I adjusted it very well. Dress it up. So you can see what I'm doing here. Now, after adjusting your tie like that, after you have tied it very well, the next thing is to put it on the neck, on the shirt. See me now, putting it on the shirt and button up the collar, the last button of the shirt, and then put the shirt, adjust the shirt properly and put the tie onto the neck. So now, wearing the collar onto the tie, you can see this, looking nice, and the inner part, I want it to be under. So I needed to do something. Okay, this microphone is not in that position. Okay, so I've kept it somewhere now. So now tie is well worn on the shirt. Let me look for the clip. Okay, let's look for the clip now. I want to use the clip for the tie. So you can see the inner part of the tie coming out. So I want to clip it to the shirt, and the tie will now look professional, very nice looking now. So if you must wear a tie like this without a suit, it's better to apply a clip on top like this, and then you look very professional. So if you want to do like me and see the way I look now, you to do so. Like this video, share it to people, let them see it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. See you another time.